Hello guys, welcome back to Indian Coinage channel. Today's topic talks about 1 rupee cross symbol coin. In this video, I share about rare and exciting informations of these coins. Rather, only few collectors know this kind of coins. Okay, let's discuss. First, we are about to see the history. This model was released in 2005 and continuously printing in 2007. The metal composition of the coin was stainless steel and the weight is 4.95 grams. In the below 8 category, lot of buyers are eagerly searching this kind of sets. So just to divide the collection in this format: Mule coins, OMS coin, error coin, experimental coin, UNC and proof set coin, rare year or mint, complete year set, and the last one is diversity. In the first 7 categories are not easy to collect or to spend more money to collect those kind of sets, but diversity is collectible without spending money. Just you get some knowledge about the coin, means you collect it easily. First we see one example: 25 paise and below denomination like 1 paise, 2 paise, 3 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise and 25 paise. All sets were withdrawn by Indian government on 13th June 2011. This kind of coin sells at various platforms like online and coin exhibition. In coin exhibition, this kind of sets sells at just minimum 5 rupees to maximum 50 rupee. If you agree this, previously you go to coin exhibition, there you get the actual price, but you sell with some combinations to split the coin, and to sell means you easily get some sets of coin sells at more than 1000 rupees. How it is possible? Yes, if you split in diversity, you definitely get this amount. Just to see the image. In the image of 2 paise, two variations are displayed, and seeing this, both coins may look like same. In reverse side of the coin, here is 1967 and mint mark is diamond mark, which means this coin is printing in Mumbai. But observe our front side of the coin, see the Ashoka emblem. The first Ashoka emblem seems smaller than second coin. First coin on right side between lion and letter in India having small gap as compared to second coin. One basic thing in diversity coin is same year and same mint. It is very important, so notified that detail. These two types of coin sells at a high price, and the proof is there. Estimated price of the coin is 1200 rupees to 1500 rupees. This product is now sold out. You can see at below. This kind of sets were sells at famous auction websites like Bombay Auction. This 1 rupee model also belongs to diversity. First check the reverse side on both the coin. Changes occurred in border. There seen the long gap on first coin as compared to second one. One specialization of this model having two different year pattern number. See the last digit of 2005. The first coin 5 is bigger than compared to second coin, but coin has same year and same mint. I already mentioned this is diversity. You can easily collect this kind of sets because this kind of sets are now in circulation. So every coin collector shall collect 1 or 2 sets in each model. Kindly don't ask the price of the coin because circulation coin buy and sell is offense in India. If you learn more information about this coin through this video, means just support and subscribe our Indian Coinage channel. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks guys.